Once you've synced up your Facebook account to the WordStream Advisor trial, you'll land here in our 20-minute work week. To leverage the Shutterstock video ad creation, navigate to the Manage tab and select Facebook and Instagram. From here, choose Create New Ad and select Video as your format. Once you're in this ad creation workflow, choose Stock Videos, and we'll give you access to a full Shutterstock library of pre-made videos based on your industry. Search the industry that you're looking to create an ad for and choose the ad that fits best with your client's brand. You can also leverage this video creation in our 20-minute work week. We'll make recommendations to refresh ads that are getting fatigued, optimize ads that are underperforming, and you can use this to leverage that ad creation as well. Simply choose video as your format here, and it'll walk you through that same exact workflow where you can again choose stock videos and scroll through the library of hundreds of different videos that fit best with your brand.